had a scare. Look at that worm. Can you see him? That thing came up there, jumped up out of that dirt. I was pulling grass. I thought it was a snake. Look at that thing. Do you see it? These things are huge. Look at my hand. I thought it was a snake. Scared me. I jumped. Oh my gosh, I jumped. Look at him. That's the kind of worms you get when you do raised beds and hugelkulturs. Look at that. Ain't that something? Wow, look at that right next to my hand. Of course, I got my gloves on. So that's the regular size worm. That's what I normally have out here. Look at that thing. Ooh. That thing scared me. Crawled right up out of there. Guess where he's going. Max, you want a worm? Max, you want a worm? Look. You want a worm? You don't want him? Okay. I'm gonna put him in my compost pile. Yeah, he's gonna go. I'm gonna put that one in my compost pile too. Man, them are big worms, aren't they? Wow. Big worm, little worm. Look at him, just crawling down through there. Those big worms. I've seen bunches of them out here. But those big worms, man, when they jump out of that dirt at you, and they literally crawl out quick. You know, you're sitting here pulling up grass and stuff from your raised bed garden, and big old worm like that pop out at you. It makes your heart beat, that's for sure. All right, enough about the worms. I'm gonna get back to work. Clearing up my raised bed garden. All right.